Today, folks, we're going to be using this photo as something to refer to do our painting. And I call it Silhouettes of a Pond. So let's go right to the summary. Hello everyone, welcome back to Archery Watercolors. Today I didn't get a chance to do a video. I actually tried and had technical difficulties. So I'm showing the finished product. Just do a quick summary. Let's move down to the foreground. And we see here, of course, grass at the edge of the waterway. And also you can see the impressions of water rippling through due to a slight breeze. Some more grass, as you can see here throughout the waterway. Now we're coming up on some shadows of tree trunks and tree tops and grass reflecting into along the water's edge. Some more shadows, as you can see here, in ripples in the waves. And now we'll move up and see what the shadows are. And there they are, the trees, brush in the background. There's the tall trees there. And there's their shadows. And then we move along. We had that heavier brush, grass. And there's a heavier brush. Then you have the sky. We move out. Get an overall view. This is the summary. Call it Silhouettes on a Pond. I hope you guys like that. Next time I'll promise I'll have another video for you. Thank you and see you later. Bye.